For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall.
Ganda ka, Tay.
I see my family every month.
Kumanda na.
I found a girl my parents love.
Ipit na.
She'll come and stay the night, and
Alam ko na
I think
nagmamahalan
I might
kayong
have it
dalawa.
all.
Kaya nga humantong kayo sa kasalan because you love each other. Xavier and Lee said, kahit magkasama na kayo, the first priority still must be Jesus. Your relationship with God.
And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I
Yun ang nakita ko sa kanya na even though I'm far from her, yeah, I don't need to worry. I don't need to stress myself. Sir, kasalanan, mamagana na ito mata ko.
These beautiful things that I've got, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
Mahal, thank you sa pagkulit. simula kahit sinabi ko sa'yo nun na ayoko pa, pero papilit lang naman ako. Pero nagpursige ka pa din. And thank you kasi pinakita mong you're a man of a family and a man of God na gagawin mo ang lahat para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And thankful ako na kasama ako dun sa mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Ang aking tuwin ay
She's very, very good. She's very good. She's taking care of me a lot. Sobrang masipag, sobrang asikaso. Mapursigi sa buhay. Parang I have a lot of promises, but I don't need to discuss that. I want to prove it.
Hindi ko bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay hanggang hangong magaan. Ang hapo'y mamatay, tatapusin natin ang pagsikat ng araw hanggang wala nang matanaw. Mahal kundi ikaw.
Aalalayan kita sa lahat ng plans mo, sasamahan kita sa lahat ng dreams mo. Andito lang ako lagi para sa iyo and para sa magiging family na. I promise you, mahal, na kahit lagi akong grumpy pa ako sa iyo, tayong dalawa hanggang yun ang mapapromise ko talaga. I will never leave your side and your back. I'm always here, your front, your side, your back, anytime.
Our new lovely couple we have, Xavier and Lisel Lobaton.
Hi, mahal. Uninandi. Oh my God. Kamusta ka? Ako, stress. Ikaw, alam ko, chill ka lang. Sana maging happy tayong dalawa sa araw na to kasi 1 year na natin itong pinagpaplanuhan. Marami man ang nangyari. Pero thank God, nandito na. It's happening in a few moments. Nakikita tayo ulit. Akala mo, hindi tanggal. I miss you. See you later.
Anuman ang tahaki ng inyong pagsasama, na andyan palagi kayo. You will face many challenges, I can assure you of that. But just hold on and be faithful to one another. Xavier and Lizelle, are you ready to be partners in your journey towards your future? If yes, then let's do this.
Nandito lang ako lagi. Kung ano yung mga plano natin sa buhay, mga plano na gusto kong gawin, nandito lang ako lagi. Nagagabay sa'yo. At siguraduhin kong magiging maayos ang magiging kami din. I love you.